Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 5-minute quick finishers. Today we're doing legs body weight. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Let's get started. My timer is on. So the first exercise is side lunge with raise. Okay? And lunge to the side, and now same leg raise. 30 seconds on each leg. Side lunge, press your hips back when you go into the side lunge. Raise. Now heel leads. Raise. 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 Last one and switch. Now switch the other side. Side lunge, inner thigh raise. Okay, brilliant. Now we're doing sumo poses with heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going, it's 1 minute. Stay low. Almost there. Next one is squat to good morning. Okay, brilliant. Now squat down, press hips back, rise up. Squat down, press hips back into good morning. Up and squeeze. Okay, narrow stand, legs together, bend your knees a little bit, and now tap back, tap back, tap back, stay low, and tap back, tap back, tap back. Almost there. Okay, we're finishing with speed squats. Faster. 1 minute of speed squats. Almost there. And yay! We did it! 5 minute toned legs quick finisher. Thank you so much. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.